How to see who shared your reel on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you who shared your reel on Facebook. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch Facebook app on your device. Update the application to the latest version and ensure to log into your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Select your profile at top of the screen. Scroll down. Select videos at top right corner of the screen. And these are all the videos and the reels that you have shared on Facebook. When you open a particular reel or video, you will see the options like, comment, share, and many more like sharing. But we can easily see the number of the people who have shared your reel on Facebook, but unfortunately it's not possible to see who actually shared our reels on Facebook due to the privacy settings of Facebook. So I hope this video was informative and helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.